Hello and happy Vlogmas Day 14. I have just opened the scary can of cinnamon rolls. Every time I open this, I about have a heart attack, but I am gonna make these for a little treat for us. Monroe is running around on the ground, just kind of, exploring. And I just preheated our oven and I'm gonna make some cinnamon rolls. Here's little Monroe. Monroe, where you going? What you doing? You're just exploring, and that's good. Yeah, you just keep exploring, sister. Okay, have my cinnamon rolls in my little Pyrex container. Have 3 minutes before the oven is preheated. Watch a Monroe, and would just like to eat them right now, but they're not cooked, so I'm gonna wait on that. Anyway, I just wanted a snack. It just sounded good. Tonight, I am going to wrap, and by wrap, I mean put in bags, my kids' Christmas presents, because we only have Tuesday, that's tomorrow, Wednesday, and then Thursday's it. So I need to have all my presents ready for coworker friends, for everybody, and I need to get those done. I like to have them done the week before. That didn't happen, so sadness, but I keep looking at Monroe, sorry. I have dishes over here that are clean, I just have to put away. I just need to straighten up the kitchen. The dishwasher's clean and needs unloading. So gonna do those things while I wait for the oven to preheat, and then it's only 13 to 17 minutes before I get some muffins. They're not muffins, they're rolls, cinnamon rolls. Anyway, these are my favorite, except for, are these the ones? No, they usually have the Cinnabon ones, and they didn't have those this time, but they still should be delicious. Just in the mood for comfort food. Anyway, I will show you, I won't show you what's in the package, but I'll show you what I bought to wrap the kids' presents in just a little bit. I am almost done with the dishwasher, but this one needed to cuddle, so I had to stop because baby gets what baby wants. And so we are cuddling a little bit. She was running around and then she needed a little cuddle. So here we are. And we're gonna watch possibly a movie in a little bit. I have the presents that I have to wrap, I was gonna show you, and then I have one other thing that I have to share. Oh my, look at those. Am I gonna eat one right now? Yes, I am. Are we feeding our feelings? Yes, I am. I just wanted something sweet. Okay, while I am eating my tasty cinnamon roll, I thought I would tell you about a book that I just checked out. I got it, the library had it. The Christmas Pig by J.K. Rowling. It so far is really good. I'm this far. I'm on chapter 20, and it's a quick read. I've only read it one night. For like maybe, I don't know, 45 minutes, 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm on page 78. Very quick read. Very cute. The reason I haven't bought this yet, take my drink out of the way there, is because I knew I wouldn't have enough time to read it to my students before the end of the school year. So I thought, that'll be one for next year. So I still kind of stand by that. However, when I saw it at the library, it's like free candy. How can you not? So I did. I grabbed it. There were 2 copies there. So I'm super excited to be reading it. For somebody who loves reading as much as I do, you may be surprised to know that I have not read any of the Harry Potters. Not because I don't like them, but because I saw all the movies first, and they were so good. I just thought, and I know the book's always better, but there's just always so much to read. And I kind of felt like I had my fill of the, with the movies. So anyway, I was excited to check this one out. I also bought, my husband read all the books and my son did as well. And I bought the one, I'll try to find it and put it here. Do you remember what it's called, honey? The one, the Something Child. Do you know what I'm talking about? The J.K. Rowling book? Yeah, we don't know. But anyway, I'll put a picture, and it was, I don't know if it has anything to do with, I don't think it has anything to do with Harry Potter, but I could be totally wrong. Then she has another one out that's like Ickish or something. That's not it, but it's like a one that she let kids illustrate, which I think is awesome. And I'll put that one here too. Haven't picked that one up. And then not too long ago, I got a book by her at a garage sale. Sorry, I'm moving the thing you're sitting on. And I will have to grab that another time and show you. But anyway, so I know she's a phenomenal writer. So far, so good. The premise of the story is the boy in the story. What is his name? I've only just, been reading it. Jack. Jack loses Der Pig, who is his favorite nighttime buddy, and it's seen him through some hard times, through a move, yada, yada. So anyway, he loses the pig, Der Pig, and he is going to the land of the lost to try to find the pig. And that's where I'm at right now. That's the premise of the story. So I am going to finish my cinnamon roll, and then I'm going to start wrapping some presents, and I'll take you with me. Hello, and I am sitting on the floor trying to be festive and crying in pain because my knee hurts so bad. So I will show you what I ended up with for bags. This year, I don't even know what else I have in here. Oh, yes, I do. I was looking for this. Here's my menorah I finally found, and I'm taking this in tomorrow now that I found it. So we have 3 days left with it. Anyway, I just got these gift sacks in the party section. Ooh, they smell like weird tape or something. Anyway, these were in the gift or party section of Hobby Lobby, and they're just plain white gift sacks. So I decided on plain white because then I got a bunch of different color tissue paper. And I just thought, not a bunch of different colors, but like Hanukkah, Christmas, just happy colors. And I'm just going to stuff the presents in this tissue paper. So that is my plan. And then whatever I have left over, I will keep in my stash here for presents throughout the year and maybe even Christmas. So I am just going to, how many does each thing have? Like 12 sheets? 8. So I am gonna probably try to just do one, but they're pretty good quality. They're pretty thick. So I always do this. I'm not sure if there's a right way, but this is what I do. And then I poop it back out a little bit, and then I will stick the goodies in there. Now, I wish I could show you the goodies, but I can't because some of my kids have found my YouTube channel. Hi guys, this is what your present's gonna look like on the outside. But then I'm gonna put the things I got them on the inside, and they'll be ready to go. So I'll probably just load these up in a box or something and take them in. But aren't they cute? So they'll be red, green, blue, 2 different colors, green and blue. So that is what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I have about 5 of these done. So this is gonna take me a little bit of time, but I wanted to sign off for Vlogmas Day 14. And if you would like to come back again tomorrow, it will be Vlogmas Day 15 with any luck, fingers are crossed. Have a great night, and I will see you back here shortly. Bye.